Good day everyone and welcome to FXDD live analysis. Today we will see euro dollar and dollar CAD possible movement and trading ideas. Before I start, have in mind that forex exchange trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Have in mind that everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Before you start trading live, please educate yourselves on the risks associated with forex market. Sign up on these web addresses for more live educational and live trading videos. Now let's see the euro dollar and the dollar CAD. As you can see, the dollar CAD is in a nice uptrend. Here we see a V-shaped reversal and some form of inverted head and shoulders pattern. This inverted head and shoulders pattern is type 2 because it has a smaller shoulders than the head, and also it looks lean to the side. So this could be a shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and you see it's leaned a little bit, but nevertheless the price broke above, and here it also made the inverted head and shoulders and went in a nice uptrend bullish momentum. Now what we see here is actually a retracement. So we saw that the price actually broke above 35.10, and 35.10 now is our weekly H3, and that is exactly where I think the dollar CAD might go, because it could retest this 35.10 and see if the bulls will still persist above 35.10. So this is the POC zone, 34.60, 34.50. So this is the zone here. The price is rejecting. You see, we already had a signal here that was, well, contained a little bit below 35, and this is also a bullish sign because we have a T89 pattern of this support. Okay, so this is Marubozu candle. It also qualifies for T89. Okay, and the price should go higher towards retest of weekly H3. Of course, if the price breaks below daily L4, this bullish scenario will be invalid. Look for continuation on a close above 35.10 towards 35.24 and 35.60. However, the ATR projection says that 35.10 is our, you see, 35.09, so it actually corresponds to 35.10. It could be the final target for today, but still it's okay because it will be a retest of previous weekly highs. Now let's move on to euro dollar. Euro dollar looks a bit bearish here, although the price tried to correct itself, but you see there are a lot of sellers exactly at this spot. So my opinion is that the euro dollar, as long as it's kept actually below 11.70, especially 11.60, 1.1160, it is bearish. So below, you see this is daily H3, so below 11.63 to 11.70 here, okay, we can say that euro dollar is bearish. Although again, it doesn't mean it will be bullish if the price gets to weekly H3 1188 and then drops down, but it's safer for bears that euro dollar stays below 1170, 1160, below this zone, because if this is the case, you see we already had some rejection signals from Camarilla MACD, MTF on Friday, but now it's a new day, it's actually Monday, so we should definitely wait for movement to develop, and maybe new signal will appear, but definitely this is bearish here. The price is kept below the zone. We also have EMA 89, and if bearishness persists, then the euro dollar could go to 11.30 and also retesting previous weekly low around 11.05. If the price closes above 11.88, we might see a correction towards 12.10, eventually 12.30, and then we will see what happens next. But at this point, as long as the price is kept below, look for a retest of these Camarilla levels, and final target, that is a previous weekly low, now weekly L3 Camarilla support. I wish you a great day. I hope that you enjoyed the analysis. If you have any questions, comments, leave in the field below. I will answer. Thank you, and as always, cheers and trade safe.